Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your sound settings and turn music off within the Warface game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Warface game on your device, and after choosing your username and your character, you will be taken into the main menu, or you will need to complete the basic tutorial levels. Now from this page, if you wish to turn off sounds and audio, just click on the settings button at the bottom right corner or tap on the O button within your keyboard. You will now be taken into the settings page. Now from here, click on audio at the top section, and now you will see the volume for all of the audios. You can simply turn the slider all the way to your left or to your preferred level for the master, sound effects, music as well as voice option. You can also enable audio chat by clicking on the enable VoIP option, and if you wish to turn them off, just uncheck this box. There is also the volume bar for volume and mic sensitivity. After making your desired changes, click on the apply button, and now if you have set the volume level all the way to the left, then you will not hear any audio within the game anymore. If you wish to change these settings once again, you can go back to the settings option and turn the volume on once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off sounds within the Warface game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.